What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. We're going to go over Solana. Came right up to our target, seeing a little bit of pullback now. Perfectly healthy, guys. We're seeing a market cap of 69.62 billion, 24-hour vol, and 3.62 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. And you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. $25 in their native coin just for signing up through my referral. So here we are on the 4-hour chart. We had our first buy zone 216, our second one at 181. So your average price came down to about 200, and we had our take profit zone here at about 231. So that was a juicy trade of 15%. We pushed a little bit higher, and we're seeing a little bit of sell off here. You can see we have a little bit of a bearish divergence. We're creating higher highs and we're creating lower highs on the RSI on the 4-hour chart, signifying that the bulls can be running out of strength here. So I'm going to keep my buy zone the same here at 216. You can see we had our inverse head and shoulders and we met our target. I did notice we had a bit of a bull pennant here. So what you can do, because sometimes you won't come back down to your buy zone, if you see a bull flag or a bull pennant and you think it's looking strong for continuation, personally I didn't take that trade because I thought it was going to roll over. Your technical target would bring you all the way up to 250. So you could trade the breakout with a stop loss, and then if you hit your stop loss, you still have your buy zone set up, right? I'm actually going to drop in one more buy zone here, just because if we do retrace, which I am expecting here, I don't think we might not come all the way back down to 181. So if we were to come down to this level of support, previous resistance at about 202 would bring your average price down to about 208. You're ready to ride the slingshot back up for Sol. So I would watch the EMAs here. If we start to lose the 20 EMA on the 4-hour chart, that's when we can come back down to 216. We lose the 55. That's when you can see us come back down to 202. But if we simply bounce from the EMA, is always a possibility, guys. Your next take profit zone is the previous high at 258, the previous all-time high for Solana. So let's jump over to the daily chart. We're still looking really healthy, guys. We've seen a little bit of rejection from this neckline of this double bottom or ascending triangle. And I did say if you do see us get rejected and we roll, do watch the EMAs as well as this trend line, give you opportunity to bounce and break out. And your technical target from that pattern is here at 272. Let me quickly pull up the MACD. I thought I had already opened it here. See if we have the bullish cross on the daily MACD. Yeah, we just printed the bullish cross on the daily MACD, which does signify to us that we're going to see a pump. You can see here we had the bullish cross, juicy pump. So what I'm going to do is give you your next impulsive wave target, swing high, swing low. I'm pretty sure it lines up. Yeah, it does with the 1.618. So your next impulsive wave target is here at 325 for Sol. So what you might see here, let me grab my brush here. We come up, maybe we find some resistance right here. We roll back, find support, continuation, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, all the way up to our bull run target here at about 506 for Solana. And we quickly look at Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin pulls the market with it. We still have our descending broadening wedge, but it looks like we may be coming back down to test this trend line of support here. And the 0.786 coming in at about 55292. Let me drop it in here. 55292. Maybe coming back to test that level of support and that trend line once again before breaking out. If we do lose that trend line, do watch 52913. It could give you the opportunity for a double bottom pattern here with Bitcoin. But as you can see here on the MACD, we're at the exact same level we were before we had the bullish cross and our massive pump to the upside. So I do think it's coming, guys. We create a strong level of support. We bounce. We see our next impulsive wave for Bitcoin, which will take you up here. Take your Fibonacci, swing high, swing low, target the 1.618, take you up to about 81K for BTC. So let's finish out the video with Solana. So you can reset your buy zones, 216, 202, 188 for our DCA strategies, just for reference, guys, not financial advice. And then we have our bull run target 506. Do watch this trend line of support and watch the EMAs here on the daily. You could definitely find support on the 20 EMA coming in at about 218. Let's see if that lines up with our buy zone. Yeah, it's really close to our buy zone at 216. And your bull run target is here at 506 for Sol. So quick shout out to the Discord, guys. We have over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, and you can sign up through the Patreon. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.